Okay, everybody, back with another Hillrom procedural bed repair. This time we're gonna take care of a foot pedal. It had broken off. We got the replacement here. Gonna just put it on. So for this, we're just gonna use a hand screwdriver with a Torx T25. Snap that into the unlocked position, excuse me. So the base it snaps on, it really just kind of holds itself. And we'll balance the top portion on. Bear with me on this. I had the camera actually reversed so I could see what I was filming. It looks like I'm threading these screws in lefty-tighty, but in fact they are righty-tighties. So 2 screws, and that's it. Perfect. Tighten this down, and that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe to the maintenance channel.